welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. My first day of Ikea tour video is going really good and a lot of you have been asking me for Ikea hauls, so here we go. Also, we reached 1000 subscribers. Also, we have a giveaway at the end of this video, so keep watching. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before that, if you're new here, if you like what you see, then do subscribe to my channel and join the squad. All the prices will be displayed over here, as well as the names and the prices and a little bit of barcodes will be there in the description box as well, so go check that out if you have any doubts. So sorry for the noise, just ignore that. I hope you guys hear me clear. So to start with, I have pillows over here which are very cushy. They're like super soft. These are for $369 each. I've got 3 of them in black color. So these are the 3 ones, and I've got another one which is in pink stripe, and I've got another cushion which is this. This is for $199. It's also very cushy. So we've got another pillow which is almost the same as this, but then it's white in color. So this is for 150 rupees, and I also got a pillow cover for that which is for 190 rupees. And I love this color. And you get plenty of options, plenty of colors which are almost 99, 250 or something like that, but then they are like super good. And we have the stools over here. Basically they are like that. We get in these packages and all the screws and everything is given over here. And also the instruction manual is given, so we gotta fit it ourselves. So these are for $290 and I've got 2 of them. So the next one is same as the previous one, but this is the wooden one. That was the iron one and this is the wooden one. Same things go for that as well, and this is for $750. And later we have this huge mirror set. So basically these mirrors are stick-on mirrors and they are 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. You get 4 of them in this pack, and these are for $490 for 4 of these. So you gotta stick them to your wall and do whatever you want. So the next one is again the mirror. So these mirrors are the smaller ones. So these are 20 by 20 centimeter, and these are for $290. I've got 2 of them. And for the stool, I've got the stool pad as well, which is for $139. And later we have this set of spoons and fork, which are like 4 small spoons, 4 bigger ones, and 4 forks. This is for $179. And then we have this lint roller, which is for $69. Then we have this colander. So basically it's like this. And this is for $3.99. And this is steel and it's super good. So we have like 2 dustbins over here. So this is for $69. That's it. And we have another dustbin over here, which is probably the cutest. This is the steel one. So this has this cute rounds over here as the design, if you can see. So this is for $279. And we have the glass set. So these are these kind of glasses which is super cute. Like, look at them. And these are like, you get 6 of them, and these are for $279. And you have these super cute spoons, and these you get it when you enter the first floor. There, exactly right corner, you see this 15 rupees spoons. Okay, there you find these, and these are super sturdy. They're like super good. They don't really break that easily. They are good. You get 4 for 15 rupees. Like, that's it. And then we have this mobile holder here, which is for $99. So you have one here, one here as well. So this is for like a little bit thinner phones, and if you have like thicker phones, then this area. And then I have a chopping board which is for $49. Then I got this box. So basically it's a box with lid. You gotta make it DIY yourself, which is for $139. So I'm gonna show you guys how it actually looks after you make it. So this is how it looks. It has this thing, and this big it is. It has this lid, and I have here my stuffing here. So this is how it looks. And then we have this dish drying pad where we can dry all the utensils. We can put them on and they get dry. This is for $129. We have this silicone drawer net, so we can put this in fridges and anything where you don't want them get to spoil. So this is kind of a roll, and I think we can use it for like so long, and we're gonna cut them in pieces and then use it. This is for $199. Then we have this super cute laptop sport. I need it like really because I always keep on doing this and looking at my laptop. So probably with this I will like have the contact like straight, because I am getting my neck issues lately because of looking down to the laptop and all that stuff. This one is quite sturdy. It's for $299. We have watches over here. We got like 3 watches. This is one of the watch. This is super good as I saw on the watch, and this was for $13.90. The other watch we got is this one. This is the wooden one. This is $12.90. And I got another tiny white one. This is for $139. That's it. These are basically the purchases I did when I went second time. So the first time when I went to just get the video and all this stuff, then I got this one. Basically, this is a scented candle. I love the packaging. I hope I one I'm going to show you guys. So this is the candle. Like, look how cute is that? It smells amazing without even lighting it up. So this is how it is. It's glass stuff. I've got 2 of them. Then I've got this amazing product, which is this mirror. This is kind of a stand mirror, and then one side you have a normal mirror, the other side you have the zoomed version of it. You see yourself like zoomed version, which is like amazing. I wanted this mirror like on my vanity desk for like super long, and I got this one for $3.99, like $3.99. And even this one you get it in a pack, in a small pack as this, and you're gonna assemble it yourself. And later I got this compartment desk organizer for $3.99. And I've got this magazine racks. This is like pack of 2 and you get it for $2.99. Then I've got this jewelry hanger. This is for $145. And I also got this artificial plant, which is for $300. So all these products was for $10,500. That is it for the video, guys. If you like this video, do hit that like button or subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. If you haven't watched my IKEA first day tour, I'm gonna put it over here. Do check that out. So now comes the giveaway stuff. So as we reach 1,000 subscribers, I am going to give away 2 things. One is Amazon coupon worth $500. Other one is this beautiful dress, which is from my own brand. I'll be choosing one winner to give these 2 stuff. So if you want to enter this giveaway, then I'll be posting a picture on my Instagram together with this video. You can see the rules there, or else I'll post all the rules over here. So basically it's nothing. You gotta subscribe to my channel, like this video, you gotta follow me on my social media, you gotta comment on that picture with heart, and tag 3 of your friends and let them also know about this. I'm gonna randomly pick one of you probably after 2 weeks. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.